Today we're going to review triads. So we all have played the major, minor, augmented, and diminished triads. What makes up a triad? We have the root on the bottom, and the third, a skip up, and a fifth, a skip up from there. Just like these apples over here. This is the biggest one. Root, third, fifth. So major triads, from the root to the third, there are 3 half steps. G, and then between G and B, there's A flat, A, and B flat. So that's 3 half steps between those. And from the third to the fifth, there are 2 half steps, C and D flat. And you all know pretty well what the major triads are because you've been playing them for a while. Augmented is changing just the fifth, so just that top note. So the root to the third is still 3 half steps, and instead of the third to the fifth being just 2 half steps, it's 3 half steps because we add a sharp for G up here to raise that up, and a sharp here. If it has a flat in the root, and we know that the fifth is also going to have a flat for A flat for major, then we take that away. That's how we raise it, is taking away the flat. Minor is easy too. We take the major triad, and instead of the root to the third being 3 half steps, it's only 2 because we lower the third with our flats. Diminished, we go from the minor triad already, which is 2 half steps, and we lower the fifth also. So B flat to D flat just has B and C between it, 2 half steps. Here's another example with C. E flat makes it minor, G flat makes it diminished. We've seen some of these in your worksheets and you've been a little confused, so I just wanted to review the symbols for all the triads. We have a big M for major, a little m for minor, and diminished can either be the abbreviation DIM or this little circle or degree sign above the letter. Augmented can be abbreviated again or has a plus sign. We also can have different qualities, major, minor, augmented, or diminished, of triads if they're in inversions. I just wanted to review inversions really quickly. So our root position, we just have a stack of thirds here. First inversion, the bottom part of the inversion is thirds, and the top part is fourth. Second inversion, which I forgot to put on here, is opposite of that. So the fourth would be on the bottom, this one, and then this bottom note would be on the top of B up here, which would be a third. So we just move that bottom note to the top, move the bottom note to the top, and then we do the same for second inversion. So now you'll have some practice with games and worksheets, drawing and identifying triads and their qualities.